Hello and welcome to this Western Weather Group video tutorial. I'm meteorologist Kaitawa, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up alarms on the Western Weather Group website step by step. Let's begin. First, if you aren't already, you'll need to log in to the Western Weather Group website. On the web browser of your choice, go to app.westernwx.com. Once there, enter your username and password and click Login. Once you've entered the website, navigate to Alarm Management on the left panel and click on it. Now, it's time to set up how you will receive alarms. Click on Add Contact Method in the upper right corner. Now that you're on the New Contact Method screen, type in the name of your contact method. Western Weather Group alarms can be sent in 3 different forms: email, text message, and phone call. In this example, we'll set up a phone call alarm, so I'll write work cell. Next, since I've decided that I want a phone call for my alarm, I'll select Phone Call from the Type drop-down menu. Finally, I'll need to enter the phone number I'd like to use. I'll enter in our office's phone number. Make sure to include your area code and don't worry about the dashes. At this point, our contact method is fully configured. However, we also have the option of setting up a more detailed schedule under Weekly Schedule. With this, you can customize exactly when you'd like to use this contact method down to the minute. In this case, however, we'll just have this method set for 24/7 use. Now that everything is entered, hit Submit at the bottom of the screen. We've now returned to the Alarm Management screen, and we can see the new contact method that we just entered. If you need to, you can edit or delete this information with the buttons on the right. Now that we have somewhere for the alarm to be sent, we can create the alarm itself. Click the Add Alarm button on the right side of the page below the Contact Method row to get us to the new alarm page. On the new alarm page, the first thing you'll need to do is select which station you'd like to receive alarms from. For this demo, I'll use our office's weather station. Next, you'll need to select a data interval. For nearly all weather stations, 15-minute data is the best choice. Now, it's time to set up the requirements of the alarm. In this video, we'll be setting up a frost alarm. To do this, we'll need to select temperature as our field, less than as our operator, and then set the trigger value to something that's helpful. Usually, you'll want to enter a value just above freezing, such as 34 degrees. At this point, the alarm is fully set up, although there are a few extra options worth glancing over. In this alarm's default state, it will automatically reset every 12 hours. However, if you use reset value, the alarm will be rearmed when this new value is hit. For example, you may want this frost alarm to reset whenever the temperature recovers to 40 degrees. Now, after a temperature of 40 is observed, the alarm will go off again as soon as a temperature below 34 is hit, regardless of how much time has passed. If you're using reset minutes, you can set your alarm to reset after a different amount of time than 12 hours. For our example, I'm happy with the 12-hour reset time and will leave it be. At the bottom of the new alarm page, there are 2 more options. The season option will set up your alarm to only be active during certain times of the year. For example, you may only want alarms from January through April. To do this, simply select the start and end of your alarm's season. For this example, we'll enter January 1st through April 30th. Additionally, you can set up a more detailed schedule for the alarm. Just like setting up contact methods, you can customize exactly when the alarm is active down to the minute. In this case, I will leave the setting alone, and the alarm will be active 24/7 so long as it's the correct time of year. The alarm is now fully set up and customized. Click Submit at the bottom of the screen to finish the setup process. You'll be returned to the Alarm Management screen. Here, we can now see our new alarm in the Your Alarms section of the page, along with all of its information. With both our contact method and alarm set, we are now 100% ready to go. If you need to, you can edit or delete your alarm's settings with the buttons on the right. Lastly, I'll mention the History section at the bottom of the screen. Here, the website will display every time your alarm was triggered over the past 72 hours. Alarms that are set up exactly as they are in this video will be active company-wide. This means that if there are multiple alarms or contact methods, they will all interact simultaneously. That is, every active contact method will receive an alert from every active alarm. If you're the manager of your company, you have the ability to configure unique alarms for individual members of your organization by going to Alarm Contacts on the left panel. If you would like more information on how to set this up, please check out our dedicated video on this topic linked on screen now, and also in the video description below. With that, this concludes this video tutorial. We hope it has been helpful to you, and if you need additional help or have any questions, don't hesitate to email us at info@westernwx.com or call us at 530-342-1700. Thanks for watching.